The Chitrik Academy is dedicated in loving memory of Rabbi Tzvi Hirsh Chitrik.
Welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to learn from Lema Masnissen over here until Lema over here. Let's go to the blackboard. In our Mishnah, we had learned of a case of two people who are both holding on to a talus, each one claiming that it belongs to them. And we had said that the halacha is that each one needs to swear that they own half, and then they each get to receive the worth of half of the talus. That's the case that we discuss in our Mishnah. Now there's another Gemara which discusses of a case of a person who had hired many workers to do a job for him. And he had told them that the way he was going to pay them is that there's a grocery store in town with a grocer, and they could go to this person and they could go to the grocery, buy groceries, and put it on this person's account. Let's call him Reuven. So the workers could go to the grocery and buy groceries on Reuven's bill, put it on his bill. A few days later, the grocer came to Reuven and asked for money. He said, I gave the workers food and I want to be paid. Then the workers came to Reuven and they told him, we never went to the grocer and we want to get paid. So both of them are coming to Reuven asking for money. So what is the halacha? So the Tanakama over there says that the halacha is the same as in our case. Each one needs to swear, and then he will receive what he swears that he didn't receive the money, and then they'll be able to receive the money, both the workers and the grocer. There's another person whose name is Benanis, who says that no, because one of them is for sure lying. Either the workers are lying that they never took groceries, or the grocer is lying that he gave groceries. So if we make them each swear, then we're for sure making that someone should swear falsely. And Bezdin would not want anyone to swear falsely. Therefore, the owner should give them, Reuven should give them each the money without swearing. So Banana says no swearing, no shvua swearing. And the Tanakama had said that they do make a shvua. So our Gemara is going to discuss today that it seems like our Mishnah is not like Benanis, because Benanis says we don't make them swear if one of them is lying, and in our case, even though they both claim to have picked it up and it totally belongs to them, we do make them swear. So it seems like Benanis would argue with the Tana of our Mishnah as well. Let's see that in the Gemara. The Gemara asks, so let's put a question mark on the side. Lema masnissen doike Benanis. Maybe our Mishnah, let us say that our Mishnah does not go according to the opinion of Benanis. Why? De'i Benanis, because if it goes like Benanis, Ha'amar, he says, Ketzad, how can we, Elu ve'elu b'ayim lidei shvua shav? How can we allow this person and this person to come to swear falsely? That's what Benanis' opinion is, like we saw on the board. Benanis says we do not allow them to swear if one of them is going to swear falsely. So seemingly, it's not like our Mishnah that says that each one swears that they own half. This is the Gemara's question. Now the Gemara answers, let's make an A on the side for the answer, that no, afilu tema Benanis, we can say that Benanis will agree to our Mishnah. Why? Because Hasam vada ikas shvua shav. In the case of Benanis, one of them is for sure lying. The workers claim they did not receive any food, and the grocer claims that he gave them food. So one of them is for sure being untruthful. Therefore, one of them will for sure lie falsely, and therefore Benanis says in that case that we do not make them swear. However, in our case is different. Why? Let's see. Hacha, in our case, in our Gemara, over here, Ika Lamemer, we could say, Deleka Shvua Shav. None of them are swearing falsely. Why? Because Imur detarvayu bahadi adadi agbua. Imur, we can say that both of them together lifted it up. And therefore, let's go to our board, let's explain this. In our Mishnah, when two people claim that they lifted it up, that they lifted the item and it belongs to them, it could be they lifted it up at the same time. And if they both lifted it up at the same time, then half will actually belong to them. Because if they both lift at the same time, they each receive half. And therefore, there's no lying involved. However, in Ben-Anas's case, one of them is for sure lying, and therefore, he says we cannot make them swear. So our Mishnah can go even according to Ben-Anas. This is the end of this lesson.